Hello, I'm Marta and this is the 5th episode about rebuild of my DR350S. The last time when I was trying to start the engine, I've discovered there is no spark. So in this and few next episodes, I will focus on DR electrical system. To check the electrical system, we have to check the DR service manual at chapter 5. But you can find the whole wiring diagram of DR350S at chapter 12, page 25. This diagram lets you have a general overview on the electrical system. I colored it to make it easier to read. In this episode, I will test the kill switch and the ignition switch. First, let's find out how it works on the wiring diagram. The kill engine signal is running through the black with yellow trace cable to the CDI unit. Here you can see the kill switch and the ignition switch. The kill signal cable is connecting the CDI unit with the both switches. That's why switching one off is enough to turn the engine off. Here you can see how the engine kill switch works. The kill signal is activated when the kill signal cable is connected to the ground. When the cable is disconnected, the kill signal is deactivated. As you can see, the ignition switch works in the same way. According to this, you can start the engine only when the ignition switch is on and the engine kill switch is in the run position. That seems obvious and in line with our knowledge. Here you can see the testing setup. We're measuring resistance between the battery negative terminal connector and the kill signal cable. The best way to access the kill signal cable is a pin in the 3-pin connector incoming to the CDI unit. Now the ignition switch is turned off, so we see there is a connection. So the ignition switch is okay. Now we're testing the kill switch. In the run position there is no connection. In the off position you can see there's a connection. So again everything looks normal. Again I have to search for the reason of the missing spark somewhere else in the electrical system. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed, leave a like and stay tuned for the next videos documenting DR rebuilding.